Hello fellow bikers and motorcycle enthusiasts, welcome again to our channel Bearded Outlaw. All locked up in our homes, I have decided to blog upon one of our earlier endeavors where a bunch of my friends and fellow members from the Bearded Outlaw Motorcycle Club rode to a friend's wedding event to a place called Tanjore in southern India. Fine sunny day, so we have set off on our journey to Tanjore. To start off, I would like to share to you why I have a Royal Enfield Classic 500cc Desert Storm motorcycle. Oh look, Pride Land from the Lion King to my left. So sorry guys, I just got diverted. So we had breakfast at a friend's place. I will post the picture of his house on the top right corner somewhere. Okay, back to the question, why do I have a Royal Enfield Classic 500cc Desert Storm motorcycle? Okay, let's go on a flashback, so fasten your seatbelts everybody. So the year was 2011, I guess. One of my friends, I shall link his Instagram profile on my description, on the description of this video. Okay, he managed to buy a Royal Enfield Classic 350cc motorbike, and I had the chance to accompany him to the dealership. The dealership was owned by Iker themselves in India. Alright, now let's fast forward to 2015. The year was 2015. Yo, D! Dr. D! Yo, D! I think he's not able to hear me with the wind and everything. Yo, D! Woohoo! Yeah! Alright, forget about Dr. D and we fast forward to 2015. I was on board a ship, part of my job, and sailing in the Atlantic Ocean. I think I had seen the movie Wolverine Origins. I kind of loved the most awful scene where he takes down a helicopter by riding his motorcycle. So yeah, you must be knowing by this time where I am getting at. And one fine day, I get off duty. I vividly remember it was a couple of months before my tour of duty came to an end. So I logged on to their website, the Royal Enfield website, and browsed through their motorcycle catalogs. And I would like to be honest with you, I hardly did any research before getting this 500cc motorcycle. I was aware of a couple of motorcycle brands like BMW and Harley, but at that point of time I really did not bother to look into them. So referencing the Wolverine Origins movie again, for some strange reason, I found a Classic 500 very similar to the motorcycle from the movie. Let me put up the image on the screen somewhere for you guys to let the comments flow below. Okay. The only highest degree of research that I did was to look up on the internet as to how much mileage did this vehicle give. Most of the users claimed 30 km per liter or 70 miles per gallon. Next thing I know, I fly back to India, advance payment to the dealership. Honestly, I wanted the one in the olive green. I can put up the image of the olive green, but for some silly reason in India they don't sell it to regular people, and Royal Enfield exports them abroad. So the next best variant was the Desert Storm. It's afternoon now, and
up in the sky, it's a bird!
It's a plane!
It's John C.
I hope you guys had a funny afternoon. So I wired the dealership the money, and apparently there was a myth surrounding the Royal Enfield motorcycles that the motorcycles are handmade, shandmade. Nevertheless, the point was that it took at least 3 months from the date of advance payment till the time of delivering the motorcycle. But I wanted it before Christmas of 2015. So I had the dealing agent's cell phone number. I pestered him to the point where he had to block my number. That's the Kaveri River to my left. And hey Beam! Yo! Bye! Vanakkam! Nalla irukingla? Super! Fantastic! Excellent! Bale! I remember as a kid there used to be plenty of water below this bridge, the one right now. April, May, I think it's about 3 p.m. now, and we'll be taking a post lunch or pre-evening lunch. I think the rest of the vlog, the remaining part of the vlog, will be coming up as a part 2 video on the same channel. So let me sign off and remind you, you don't stop riding when you get old. You get old when you stop riding. So don't stop. Cheers. Bye.
Tea time. Huh? Only tea. Tea.